Hello, my dear scholars. We have completed English worksheets till 5. Today, we are going to start Maths worksheet. First worksheet is about write whether the following are true or false. The given shape is a regular polygon. So, you need to write whether it is true or false. To know that, you need to know what is a polygon actually. So students, polygon is nothing but a shape which has which can be done with slanting lines, which is made of lines, and it should be a closed shape like triangle, square, rectangle, hexagon, octagon, nonagon. You all know the shapes. Okay, circle is not a polygon. Why? Because it don't have any sides. Angle also should be same. Okay, so it does not have any angle, so circle is not a polygon. So now tell me, first one, the given shape is a regular polygon. Is it a regular polygon? It's a polygon. Actually, it's a polygon. It has lines. It has all different lines. It is a closed shape. Okay, it's a flat shape. It is a closed shape. It is a polygon, but it is not a regular polygon. It is not a regular polygon. So regular polygons are what? Triangle, square, rectangle. So it's a false. The given shape is an irregular polygon. Yes, it's an irregular polygon. It is not in a exact triangle shape. It is in a bending shape. Yes. The given shape is an irregular polygon. Yes. The given shape is irregular polygon. Yes. All are correct. First one is only true. False. Okay. Next one, look at the picture and choose the correct answers. So here is a circle. They have given some lines and points. You need to say, you need to write about this picture. Can you see this picture? Based on this, they have given some questions. You need to complete these questions. Okay. So first, before completing this, first we will read this circle. Okay. So here is the circle shape. Okay. Here the middle S nunchi T. Can you see the line, straight line from S to T? This S to T is a diameter. Okay. This P is the center point. Okay. And can you see A and S? This A and S is a chord. What is it? It's a chord. Chord is nothing but the lines which are pointed on the arc of the circle. Okay, all the two ends should be on the arc of the circle. That is known as chord. The middle one is diameter, and you can see the middle P to V. This is a radius from pinpoint, from circle, from center of the circle to the down is nothing but the radius. Okay, so this is about the circle which we have learnt now. Now you tell me which is the center of the circle. So P is the center of the circle. What is the segment AS of this circle called? So just now I told you AS is nothing but a chord. Diameter is ST and radius is PV. Okay. Which of the following is the radius of this circle? Just now I told you PV. PV is the radius of the circle. Understood everyone? Now third bit, identify the pictures which have concentric circles in them. Okay, you need to put tick against them. Concentric circles. So what is concentric circle? Concentric circles are the circles which has the same center point. Circles, any circles unna ఆ circles అన్నిటికీ center point ఒకటే ఉండాలి. For example, see here. Okay, see here. Here are three different circles, and for three different circles the center point is different, so it is not a concentric circle. Can you see this slide or ring which we play? See here, you can see different types of circles in it, but the center point is the one. The same center point is there, and circles are surrounded, right? And see here, this one is also a concentric circle. The middle point is the center point of a circle, and this center point is used for all the circles. It is not in different shapes. Okay, so this is also a concentric circle. Now see here, No, all these circles are in different places with different center points, so this is not a concentric circle. See this one. Here also there are many circles and all the circles have the same center point, so this is a concentric circle. Now see here, this is also a concentric circle. Now see pillow. No, there are different center points, so this is not a concentric circle, and this is also not a concentric circles which has different circles in different places. ఓకే, కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సర్కిల్స్ అంటే సెంటర్ పాయింట్ ఒకటే ఉండాలి అండ్ సర్కిల్స్ దాని చుట్టూ ఉండాలి, దాన్ని కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సర్కిల్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, సో యూ నీడ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై దాట్ అండ్ యూ నీడ్ టు పుట్ ఎ టిక్ మార్క్ అగేన్స్ట్ ఇట్. నౌ circle the shape in which the line is a line of symmetry. Okay, now symmetry is nothing but I can say you like a mirror image. If you draw a line between something, it should be the half of this the other shape. ఓకే, మీరు డ్రా చేసినా కూడా యూ కెన్ సీ ద మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్ అనమాట, symmetry. Okay, now see here, first a bit. If the symmetry line is here, this part is different and this part is different. The image is not the same on the top. అంటే అటు పైన ఇటు కింద, లైన్కి ముందు లైన్కి ఇటు సైడ్ రెండు సైడ్స్ సేమ్ కనిపించాలి. లైక్ మిర్రర్లో మనం చూస్తే ఎలా సేమ్ కనిపిస్తుందో అలా కనిపించాలి. దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ అ సిమెట్రిక్ లైన్. సి సెకండ్ వన్ క్లియర్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. Line, can you see the symmetric line here? The symmetric line that side and this side both are looking same. మీరు చేతి పెట్టి చూడండి, ఇట్ సైడ్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది, అటు సైడ్ సేమ్ ఉంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ సిమెట్రిక్ ఇమేజ్. This is known as a symmetric line. Okay, this line is telling the exact point. So in A, second one is correct. In B, first one is correct. కరెక్ట్గా హాఫ్లో ఉంది, both the sides are same. Okay, so in B, first one is correct. And in C, last one, C star, both the sides are same like mirror image. Yes, so C is the correct one. Now here draw line or lines, your wish. మీరు ఎట్లా లైన్స్ డ్రా చేసినా మీకు ఈజీగా హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ కనిపించాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో లైక్ దట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డ్రా సిమెట్రిక్ లైన్స్ అండ్ మేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్. ఓకే, now answer the following question. Create a shape which has one line of symmetry. ఒక ఇమేజ్ డ్రా చేయండి, దానికి కరెక్ట్ లైక్ సర్కిల్. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఎ సర్కిల్, డ్రా ఎ సర్కిల్ అండ్ డ్రా ఎ లైన్ బిట్వీన్, సో డెఫినెట్లీ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎ వన్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ సిమెట్రిక్ ఇమేజ్. ఓకే, క్రియేట్ ఎ ఇమేజ్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ టూ లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ సిమెట్రీ. నౌ ఐ విల్ షో యూ ద టూ లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ సిమెట్రీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, టేక్ దిస్ బాక్స్, టేక్ దిస్ వన్ Nana. Take this triangle, this one shape. If you draw a line between here, మిడిల్లో లైన్ డ్రా చేసిన, పైనుంచి కిందికి మీరు డ్రా చేసిన, యూ విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్. ఇక్కడ టూ లైన్స్ డ్రా చేసిన మీకు సిమెట్రిక్ ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది. సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఓకే, క్రియేట్ ఏ పాలిగాన్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ ఎట్లీస్ట్ 4 lines of symmetry. So 4 lines of symmetry, you can take this hexagon. ఓకే, 1 2 3, మధ్యలో ఒక లైన్, 4 lines వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ. మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 1 line, సేమ్ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 1 line, సేమ్ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 1 line, సేమ్ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి హాఫ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఆల్సో, యూ విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్. అండర్స్టూడ్? అర్థమవుతుందా? సో 1 2 3 4 సిమెట్రిక్ లైన్స్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ విత్ దిస్ image. Okay, here this one also you can take same image. In middle 1 line, this side 1 line, ఇటు నుంచి ఇటు ఎడ్జెస్కి 2 lines అవుతుంది. మిడిల్ నుంచి ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేసినా సిమెట్రీ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ మీరు డ్రా చేసినా సిమెట్రీ వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ నౌ ఐ టోల్డ్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ పాలిగాన్. పాలిగాన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ విచ్ ఈస్ a shape which is used with lines and it should be a closed one. Okay, now predict the number of lines of symmetry for the following polygons. Number of sides are 4. Number of lines of symmetry of regular polygon 1 2 3 4. You will get 4 polygons here. Here also 4. Here 1 2 3 4. 4 only here also. 1 in the middle, 2, 3, 4. 4. And here 1, 2. Okay, only you will get here all the edges are not equal, Nana. See here. So here also you will get only middle one line, middle here one line, up one line, down one line. Only 2 symmetrics you will get here also. Sides are many. Now how many lines of symmetry will a regular polygon with 9 sides have? So take 9 sides. So what is that? How many symmetries you will get for that also? Only 2 you will get. How many lines of symmetry will a regular polygon with 10 sides? Draw 10 sides of polygon and try to draw the symmetry for us and see how many symmetry lines you will get. Okay. So this is about polygon. Hope you have understood. If not, take help of your parents. And first important is, what is polygon? Polygon is nothing but a shape which can be drawn with straight lines, and those lines should be a closed shape. It should not have an open shape. Okay, a regular polygon should be all sides with regular, what I can say, angles which have equal angles. Irregular polygons are lines which can be drawn with any edges, but it should be a closed shape. That is nothing but polygon. Symmetry means mirror image. Each side nunchi meer chusina, whenever you draw a line, both the sides should have the equal shape. Then only it is known as a symmetry. Symmetry means half of it. Half of it, exactly half undali. Okay, so that is known as symmetry. So try to complete this and share with us by evening. Okay, chalo then, take care, bye bye.